My favorite tool that we've ever used to date is a sod cutter. I'll explain. So last summer we built our hanging egg chair fire pit, but we never landscaped around it. So that's what we're doing. Andrew marked off where we wanted the sod cut, and then you just go in with a sod cutter and it cuts the sod for you. You roll it up and you can either reuse it somewhere else if you have plans for it or dispose of it as you will. And it's just that easy. This is how we did our vegetable garden and all of our garden beds. And then I found on Facebook Marketplace these feet pavers, and the girls who get it, okay? Don't judge me. I have a vision for these feet. I think I'm gonna include them in the fire pit. So if you guys wanna see how this landscaping turns out, I'll have another video up in a day or so. We're back again to finish landscaping our fire pit. We picked up a couple emerald cedars to plant around our fire pit. I really want the fire pit to feel kind of private and almost like a separate entity from the rest of our backyard. We had the most beautiful sunset on the night that we were planting these trees. Something about gardening in the evening just kind of hits different. We planted 3 cedars in the ground. We might want to add a few more, but in the meantime, we added a couple hostas, which will fill in this area really nicely. And then I also transplanted some iris that were growing elsewhere on our property, and then just topped up the pea gravel that was already inside of it. And I want to share my feet pavers. I got them because my grandma actually had feet pavers in her backyard, and it might sound strange, but feet pavers were just like such a cute memory in my childhood of her, so it's just a little tribute to my grandma. Anyways, mulched it, and here's the transformation. It's been almost 2 years of doing projects at this house, and I think the fire pit still takes the cake for me as my favorite project. We love seeing all the recreations of this fire pit, and it just has a special place in my heart.